Back out.
Отказаться от участия.
Back out.
Он отказался от сделки в последний момент.
He backed out of the deal at the last minute. He backed out of the deal at the last minute. Bring up.
Поднимать вопрос.
Bring up.
Она подняла важный вопрос на встрече.
She brought up an important issue during the meeting. She brought up an important issue during the meeting. Brush up on.
Освежить знания.
Brush up on.
Мне нужно освежить знания испанского перед поездкой.
I need to brush up on my Spanish before the trip. I need to brush up on my Spanish before the trip. Carry on.
Продолжать.
Carry on.
Они продолжали говорить, несмотря на шум.
They carried on talking despite the noise. They carried on talking despite the noise. Throw away.
Выбрасывать.
Throw away.
Не выбрасывай свои старые книги.
Don't throw away your old books. Don't throw away your old books. Get up.
Вставать.
Get up.
Я обычно встаю в 7 утра.
I usually get up at 7 a.m. I usually get up at 7 a.m. Cut back on.
Сократить.
Cut back on.
Нам нужно сократить расходы.
We need to cut back on expenses. We need to cut back on expenses. Go on.
Продолжать.
Go on.
Пожалуйста, продолжай, я слушаю.
Please go on, I'm listening. Please go on, I'm listening. Do without.
Обойтись без чего-то.
Do without.
Мы не можем обойтись без машины в этом городе.
We can't do without a car in this city. We can't do without a car in this city. Take off.
Снимать.
Take off.
Сними обувь перед входом.
Take off your shoes before entering. Take off your shoes before entering. Fall apart.
Развалиться.
Fall apart.
Старый стул развалился, когда я на него сел.
The old chair fell apart when I sat on it. The old chair fell apart when I sat on it. Find out.
Узнать.
Find out.
Я только что узнал, что она переезжает в Париж.
I just found out that she's moving to Paris. I just found out that she's moving to Paris. Get by.
Сводить концы с концами.
Get by.
Я с трудом свожу концы с концами на свою зарплату.
I barely get by on my current salary. I barely get by on my current salary. Give away.
Раздать.
Give away.
Они раздавали бесплатные книги на мероприятии.
They gave away free books at the event. They gave away free books at the event. Go off.
Сработать.
Go off.
Пожарная сигнализация сработала посреди ночи.
The fire alarm went off in the middle of the night. The fire alarm went off in the middle of the night. Grow up.
Вырастать, взрослеть.
Grow up.
Я вырос в маленьком городке.
I grew up in a small town. I grew up in a small town. Hang on.
Подождать.
Hang on.
Подожди, я буду с тобой через минуту.
Hang on, I'll be with you in a minute. Hang on, I'll be with you in a minute. Hold up.
Задерживать.
Hold up.
Движение было задержано из-за аварии.
Traffic was held up by the accident. Traffic was held up by the accident. Look down on.
Смотреть свысока.
Look down on.
Он смотрит на нас свысока.
He looks down on us all the time. He looks down on us all the time. Make up for.
Компенсировать.
Make up for.
Она попыталась загладить свою ошибку.
She tried to make up for her mistake. She tried to make up for her mistake.